To add albums to your website, select the Features panel and drag the album feature to your page. Select the album you want to display from the list of your albums in the Settings panel. If you haven't added any albums yet, you can do so from the Asset Manager. Once you've selected your album, resize the album box using the handles around the album feature. Open the header accordion. You can change the font and color of the header text. Adjust its positioning. And adjust the background color using the pre-selected color palette. Backgrounds can be either a solid color or a linear gradient. You can also style each album item. The options are the same as for the header, and they work the same way. Add borders to any or all of the sides of the album feature like this. Adjust the size of the border with this slider, and select a color for the border using the pre-selected color palette, like this. You can also adjust the border color when someone hovers over your video. Finally, you can add a box shadow to your album feature. Adjust the position of the shadow, the amount of blur, the color, and the opacity.